Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is a 3-screen extender thing for your laptop. As you can see, I have my MacBook Pro here, and I want to try to extend my screen and make it nice and big. So let's see how we open this up here. Let's check it out. I'll put it here. I think you guys can see it. Let me move my laptop. So let's see what all we get in here. So in here we have, it comes with a nice little carrying case here, like this. Very cool. So you've got a pouch up here for all the wires, which I see are sitting in here. And I'm guessing these are going to be a bunch of, yes, USB-C to USB-C wires, which is how my MacBook communicates. And another one of those. And what is this one here? And this one here is USB to USB-C. And this one here is USB-C to HDMI. And this one here is USB to USB-C. And those are all different wires. Okay, and then we got some instructions there, but I've used screens before, so let's give this thing a try here and set this up. I'm gonna put this right over here. And so let's see how this looks. And it's got a little Velcro thing inside of it. Oh, I just take it out. So here we go, out of the little section here. And then this is it here. It's Velcroed closed. So there's that. And then this is the device. Open it up here. Got this foam padding in there, I guess, to keep it all well protected. And then here is the other side. So now we have our two screens over here. So these screens, it looks like they're covered up with some sort of plastic on it. So remove the protective film, and there is one screen. And the other screen here. So there we go. So there. So now we're taking that out of there, and then you can see here, this is the device, and it's got a little flip-up thing here, which is going to go, keep it from hanging down there. So let's hook it up here onto my laptop. So I will put it there. Okay, let me go to this side and do it. I got a lot of stuff on this little table blocking the way. Okay, so here we go. So there, now it is connected up. There we go. And then we would go here, and is the little foot stand for it. Let's see, how do we get that out of there? Oh, the whole thing comes out. Let me grab one of these wires. So there we go. So this is the little stand, so it'll be there, so I can set it up however high I want it. So like if I want it to be like that, there. And then we have the connections to connect it up to my laptop. So it looks like it's got 3 USB ports on here. I'm just going to pick the middle one. Hopefully that one's going to work. And then I'll plug it into a USB-C port on my laptop. And I'll do the same thing with the other side. So each one acts as an individual monitor. So there it is, there, and then I will put it here. Okay, so now now you can kind of see I've got it hooked up. And now let me turn it around, and you guys can see what I'm talking about here. So this, now look at that, I have 3 screens, and it just recognized it already. Where's my mouse? There's my mouse. So now if I took my, I don't know which way, well, I guess I need to just say which one is where, but you can see now I've got some stuff on this screen, some stuff on that one, some stuff on that one, so I can kind of go and then I can do it. But in a Mac, I would go into the settings on it, which are currently, I can go to the Apple and then System Settings, and then I have my Displays option. And I can say my S2, whatever, I can change it to, 1280 by 720, so then it kind of fits, a little bit smaller over there. Let me change this one here, the left, 1280 by 720, and you see it got small too. And I can change the area, so this one here, I can make it, I can hit arrange, and then I can choose this one to go on that side, and this one to go on that side. I think that's going to be it. So now I've kind of got it arranged with the different displays. So now I can go from one to the next. See, my mouse moves from there to there to there. So now they're all kind of arranged. So you see, I got it connected and going in just a couple of minutes. I mean, this video so far, it's 5 minutes long. So in 5 minutes, I've got 3 screens on my laptop. So how cool is that? So this is my video editing stuff that I kind of have set up here because I'm making videos like this. So this video will be made on here with 3 screens. Super cool, huh? So definitely pick up one of these. I mean, the video, the quality is really good. And I've got a pretty decent resolution on these things. I mean, it's just, yeah, I mean, these are great. So totally thumbs up. I mean, especially if you're going to Starbucks or something like that and want to be able to work with 3 screens, no brainer. I mean, all you have to do, this will all just stick in your backpack and go, and you get it set up in no time. I mean, it took me 5 minutes, and that was the first time. Next time it'll take me 30 seconds. Totally awesome. Thumbs up. Pick up these for sure.